Please be aware that for this question here, it was not specified whether the letters can be repeated or not. So I'm going to do the question as if the letters cannot be repeated. All right? But be aware that as well that when you write your examination, the question must be very specific as to whether repetition is allowed or it's not allowed. Okay? So we are going to. Okay, if repetition was allowed, we just use the exponential form. Yes. Okay, we use the exponential form. So 7 to the power 7. Yes. So here we have got 7 letters that are different. So the first question says, how many ways can the letters of this word be arranged? So that will be 7 factorial, which is 5040. Right. Now remember that 5040 is going to be our total in the sample space for A2. Now A2 says if the letters of the word are arranged randomly, calculate the probability that the resulting word will start with R and end with a U. So S is equal to 40. Then N Okay, right? Remember, I got the question. I didn't like it. The question did not specify. There's nothing wrong that you worked with what? Repetition. But the question is supposed to be very specific because there are two ways of doing the question.
Okay, so if I did repetition, then 7 times 7 times 7 times 7.
Yes, which is 7 to the power of 7.
Of 4.
Okay,
Why would
so,
it be 7
so our total in the sample space, if no repetition is taken into account here, we have got 7 digits. So this will be 7 factorial, which is 5040.
Why? Because it's been a 4-digit number. And you said it must work with.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Yes, okay. Right. We have got 4 positions, right? 7 is 4 positions, right? We need it's a 4-digit number. So the first position, all 7 we take it, then 6, then 5, and then 4. Can you multiply that and tell me the answer?
840.
840. That's the correct one. Right? Then, if I want to determine the probability that a 4-digit number is even, okay, I can determine the number of digits that are not even, and then I'll subtract. Okay? So, we have 4 positions. Okay? How many digits they are not even? Remember, if a digit is supposed to be even, it's supposed to have a 2 in the what? And a 4. So this position here, 5 digits can fight for it. 5 digits can what? Fight for it. Then, if you put a digit here, if there is no repetition, you are left with what? 4. Now, those 4 can put them here, plus the other 2, that is the 2 and the 4. You end up having what? 6. 6, then 5, then what? 4. So here it's n not even. Okay? What answer do you get there? If you multiply the 6 times the 5 times the 4 times the 5.
600.
600. Okay? Are you following? Then n even now. It means the number of digits that are even. It will be 840 minus 600, and this will give us 240. Okay? Right. Can I share with you another way of doing the question?
Yes. No.
Yes. Why are you saying no?
Because I understand.
Okay, so the probability that a digit So if a 4-digit number is even, can I have your attention? It's going to be 240 divided by 840. What answer do you get? 8, 6, so 240 divided by
2,829. I mean 0,29.
Can you convert that to a decimal?
One of
Come to a fraction.
207.
So that's 2 over 7. Okay, so that's the answer. Alright? Okay. Want me to talk about the second way?
Yes.
Just put 1 minute. Okay. I think I can talk about it. The second way.
I mean, said 41 minutes.
The second way. The second way. I'm sure you can agree with me that if I'm to get an even number, the last digit must be a 2. Or the last digit must be a what? 4. Right? So this position here is fixed. It can be taken by 1 digit. And this position is also fixed. It can be taken by what? 1 digit. Which means 6 are left here, then 5, then 4. Then 6 are left, then 5, then 4. Then you use the fundamental counting what? Flexible. This is treated as a 1, that's also treated as what? As a 1. So in total, you have 6 times 5 times 4 plus 6 times 5 times 4, which is equal to what? So this is 10. So you get what? 240. Like the whole section.
Yeah, can you find it now? So I have it.
No problem. The most important thing is that you understand the concept. The issue with the efficient or not efficient, that depends on the question. Okay. Alright. Let's carry on. Now, B now. Can I have your attention? Now, to do B, it says we need to determine the probability that a randomly chosen a randomly chosen number is greater than 4,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to determine those 4-digit numbers that are less than 4,000. Then I'll subtract from the total in the sample space. Okay? So remember, we have got 4 positions, am I right? If we are going to get a number which is less than 4,000, how many digits are less than 4? So what? 3. So you can put a 1, a 2, or a what? A 3. So that position can be occupied by 3 digits. Then if I put a digit there, I can't repeat it there. So I'll be left with what? 6, then 5, then 4. So here will be n less than what? N less than 4,000. So n less than will be equal to 3 times 6 times 5 times 4. That answer you get. That will be 840. Remember, our total in the minus 360. Yeah. The number of 4-digit numbers that are less than 4,000. It means the first position can have a 1, a 2, or a what? A 3. If you put a digit here, you can't repeat it in the second position. So you're left with 2 plus the other four digits that you can't put here, so end up having 6. So probability, a number which is greater than 4,000. Is this correct? 480. So you get 480 divided by 840. That answer you get. Remember, the total in the sample space is 840. That answer you get. You get 4 over 7. Then the last question. Okay, we need to determine the probability that a 4-digit number has the digits can be arranged in ascending order. Now, there is only one way that you can arrange those digits in ascending order. Okay, there's only one way. So, okay, what do I mean? Okay, I'm sure you know what ascending order means. Huh? Ascending order means from smallest what to largest. Now, any data set of any number of digits can only be arranged once in ascending order and once in descending order.
But you can only one, you could have 9 times 3, and then you have 7 times 4.
That's not, if you, the moment you end up having some numbers that are greater than others in between, it's no longer ascending
So
order.
can I take the excuse?
Okay, so C can go. So the probability of a 4-digit number in ascending order that would be 1 over 8. Okay, there's only one way. Alright? So, to the end. Thank you.
Goodbye.
That's the end.